I'm Makiko Tsuda. Asakusa is among the top tourist sites of Tokyo. And this time we'll be bringing you the program from a waterfront area that extends from here in Asakusa to Tokyo's Skytree. If you walk from Asakusa Station towards Tokyo Skytree, you can see a bridge just below the railway line. Now, they say this bridge, when built, changed the flow of people going through the area. And to find out more about that, I'll be speaking with Mr. Ichita Fukuda of Tobu Railway that was involved in its construction.
Mr. Fukuda, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I understand this bridge changed the flow of people going through the area. What kind of changes did you see?
This bridge has become very important for the area. It's become a key channel for the flow of people between Asakusa and Tokyo Skytree in Sumida Ward. And originally, we carried out a development project in Kita Jukengawa jointly with Sumida Ward. So, this directs the flow of people there, and that effect ripples within Sumida Ward. So it's a bridge that helps develop and revitalize the area.
It's the shortest route from Asakusa to Tokyo Skytree, isn't it?
Yes, until now, people had to take a roundabout route by going across the Azumabashi Bridge or the Kototoi-bashi Bridge upstream. But this is in between them, so it's the shortest route to cross the river.
So it's playing a key role in revitalizing the area.
Yes.
Now, I just crossed the Sumida River, and what you can see over here under the railway tracks is Tokyo Mizumachi. Now, to learn more about this facility, I'm going to speak with Ayumi Niwa of the PR office of Tokyo Skytree.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Would you tell me about this facility?
The concept of Tokyo Mizumachi is live to trip, and the idea is for people living in the neighborhood to feel as if they are taking a trip somewhere. And on the other hand, for tourists from across Japan or from abroad to come here and feel as if this is their home, as if they are living here. It's a destination-type multi-purpose commercial facility under the railway tracks that's rooted in the region and where you can discover the attractions of downtown Tokyo.
Tokyo Mizumachi is divided into West Zone along Sumida Riverwalk from the direction of Asakusa, and East Zone that extends toward Tokyo Skytree. Below the railway tracks are many unique establishments. You're watching Channel Japan.
It's very spacious inside, and I even see a bouldering wall at the back. What kind of shop is this?
Lattice Sports comprises of a bicycle shop, bouldering facility, and cafe, and is a place fun for people of all ages.
I've come to the bouldering gym and I'm thinking of giving it a go. But how should I do this?
You can see colorful rocks on the wall, and basically, you grab what are called holds, or put your feet on them to climb up a set route. Let's give it a try.
I get up on here and I can only step on the blue, right?
Correct. You're going up blue, so there's one here. You're doing good. Get on top of the left-hand side, and now you can let go of your right hand.
I see.
Touch the final hold with both your hands.
Okay, is that it?
Great.
So you don't need to bring anything?
That's right. You can come wearing whatever clothes you want and climb. And we rent out shoes, chalk, and all the necessary equipment.
We've come to a traditional Japanese confectionery shop at Tokyo Mizumachi just across Sumida Park. And they use high-quality domestic ingredients to make some exquisite traditional snacks. So let's go inside.
Welcome.
I see you have all kinds of products.
Our most popular is rice cake filled with sweet bean paste. We only use beans called hoshuku from Hokkaido.
So let me have a taste. It's basically red bean paste wrapped in mochi. It's really soft to the touch. Has lots of beans inside. It's really soft, and the red bean paste is sweet but not too sweet. It's just right. It's delicious. It's really nice. Now, this shop here introduces the attractions of Sumida Ward, where this Tokyo Mizumachi is located, to domestic and international travelers through various traditional crafts being carried on in the area. So let's go take a look.
We offer various body care goods, and this soap in particular is made in Sumida Ward using traditional methods.
So these are all made in Sumida Ward?
Yes.
You're watching Channel Japan. This here is a hostel for budget travelers, and I'm with the manager, Miwa Nobuto, to learn more about what they offer.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Would you tell me about this facility?
Sure. This is a lodging facility we open for travelers from around the world who come to Tokyo Mizumachi. And we wanted them to make lots of memories. At this time, we haven't been able to welcome inbound tourists, but people from Sumida Ward and people interested in this area have visited. And it's become a place where we hold events with them and carry out exchanges with the local community.
What are the accommodations like?
The second floor is all individual rooms for 1 or 2 people. On the first floor, we have dormitory-type rooms with bunk beds, and right now it's used like a house-sharing facility by primarily Japanese people. But we're making preparations to welcome backpackers in the future.
This time we brought you the program from a multi-purpose facility called Tokyo Mizumachi. We hope you enjoyed it.